The Dustcheck Silovent series is a high-quality, cost-effective reverse jet cleaning venting filter. It is designed specifically for the venting of bulk storage silos being filled pneumatically via road tanker or land-based blower units. Using our 160mm two-piece conical cartridge, it is extremely competitive in terms of price, and, where suitable, it can also be applied to other venting type applications. It is available in both galvanized and stainless steel construction, and in two sizes of 21 meters squared and 24.5 meters squared. The Silovent series is available in robust galvanized electroplated carbon steel or stainless steel. The weatherproof construction requires minimal maintenance as nothing is painted and there are minimal removable parts. The hinged weather cowl, held in place with two bolts, has integrated cleaning jet tubes and an easy lifting action with a safety latch to hold in place during maintenance. The filters are held in place with a simple clamping method, with no removable parts, making replacing cartridges easy. The two-part cartridge construction makes replacing them cost-effective. The filter has a 3-valve cleaning system for maximum effectiveness. Other features include compact design, high efficiency and low emissions, conical filter technology for enhanced cleaning, standard sequence timer for control of cleaning system, low whole-of-life cost, ATEX Zone 22 rated as standard, 1 bar PSR as standard, with 2 bar available as option. For further information on any of Dustcheck's products, please get in touch.